This video is for educational and ethical purpose only. All action are done in a controlled lab environment. Unauthorized hacking is illegal. Learn ethically, stay secure.
So, let's get started. Here, type the following command, sudo apt install git python 3 pip php opench client y. And now, type the command git clone, followed by the given link. This command will download the entire MaxPhisher tool files from the repository directly into your system. Now type cd MaxPhisher. This command will change your directory into the MaxPhisher folder you just cloned. Now run the following command, pip3 install r files requirements.txt. This will install all the Python packages listed in the requirements file. In my case, I'm using the Parrot operating system, that's why nothing got downloaded. Now it's time to run the tool. Type python 3 maxphisher.py. After that, a few files will be downloaded automatically, and then you'll be able to use the tool very easily. After the downloads finish, the tool will ask you for the local X access token. Simply type N and press Enter to continue. So far, we have successfully downloaded all the tools. I should also tell you that this tool is very dangerous. Do not use it for any illegal or unethical activities. Use it only in a controlled lab environment and with explicit permission. Now you can see what this tool is capable of doing. Remember, this demonstration is for educational purposes only. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's try this once and see if it really works. First, I will test it on my own mobile device. Remember, this is only a demonstration for educational purposes. Okay, and now let's wait for the link to generate. Okay, the link has been generated. We have 3 links here. The first is a Cloudflare link. This one is public, so you can share it with anyone. Now we click the link to illustrate how dangerous some links can be. Upon opening, it displayed an approximate location. I will not provide any login details, doing so could expose sensitive information. Warning, phishing links and suspicious pages can steal personal data and credentials. Always verify a URL, enable two-factor authentication, and never enter passwords on untrusted pages. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.